Hello everyone. Today let's start lesson addition and number block. Let's go. 6
I will do plus
12
I will do equal
18 7
I will do plus
8
I will do equal
15 8
I will do plus
18
I will do equal
26 4
I will do plus
4
I will do equal
8 19
I will do plus
12
I will do equal
31 5
I will do plus
4
I will do equal
9 12
I will do plus
9
I will do equal
21 1
I will do plus
19
I will do equal
20 16
I will do plus
6
I will do equal
22 3
I will do plus
20
I will do equal
23 10
I will do plus
2
I will do equal
12 9
I will do plus
11
I will do equal
20 9
I will do plus
16
I will do equal
25 18
I will do plus
8
I will do equal
26 12
I will do plus
12
I will do equal
24 2
I will do plus
20
I will do equal
22 11
I will do plus
10
I will do equal
21 10
I will do plus
10
I will do equal
20 wow, the double 10 equal 20 17
I will do plus
3
I will do equal
20 10
I will do plus
15
I will do equal
25 4
I will do plus
11
I will do equal
15 14
I will do plus
4
I will do equal
18 14
I will do plus
14
I will do equal
28, 4,
I will do blood.
9,
I will do equal.
13, 2,
I will do blood.
15,
I will do equal.
17. I feel happy because I look very happy and very beautiful. 14,
I will do blood.
14,
I will do equal.
28, 3,
I will do blood.
20,
I will do equal.
23, 20,
I will do blood.
10,
I will do equal.
30, 5,
I will do blood.
3,
I will do equal.
8. So easy. 8,
I will do blood.
12,
I will do equal.
20, 7,
I will do blood.
6,
I will do equal.
13, 16,
I will do blood.
3,
I will do equal.
19, 3,
I will do blood.
9,
I will do equal.
12, 15,
I will do blood.
1,
I will do equal.
16, 12,
I will do blood.
10,
I will do equal.
22,
I
2,
will do blood.
5,
I will do equal.
7, 12,
I will do blood.
9,
I will do equal.
21. Now the lesson in the end. See you again everybody in the next lesson. Goodbye.